What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you all how to get free cars and free money in CSR Racing 2. Okay guys, so before we get into that, I'd like to mention my giveaway that I'm doing. I have a red iPhone XR that I'm going to give away to one of you lucky viewers. So if you want to win it, just be sure to like, subscribe, and then comment why you need this phone down in the comment section below. And guys, be sure to follow this process all the way through, because I promise you it is worth it.
Okay guys, so the first step, you want to go into Google, and then you want to go to the website that I have linked down below. Okay guys, so once you type that in, you're going to look for the CSR2++ app, so go ahead and click on that. It's right here. What you want to do, click the download CSR2++ app. And what this is going to do, it says tweaking app. So pretty much this is just going to give you the generate money button, and then it's going to give you the list of cars to choose from that you want. Okay guys, it's also going to give you a really cool mod menu that you can do crazy things with. Right here it says preparing human verification, so it's going to take you to a captcha completion challenge. As you guys see, there's 4 offers right here with very simple instructions. So for Norton, you can see download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds to unlock this content. So what you want to do is you want to hit plus free and then hit OK. Then it's going to bring you to the App Store here. So 3.8 star ratings with 17,000 reviews, guys. This is a legit app. So once you install it, you want to open it up. Then you just want to play around in here for 30 seconds. You don't need to subscribe. You don't need to start a trial. None of that stuff. Just have around in here. Follow the instructions. Very simple, guys. So after you do the first offer, then you want to go through and complete the rest. As you guys can see here at the bottom, I have a survey. Okay guys, so very simple there. All you got to do, complete the survey. Once you guys complete all 4 offers, then your generate buttons should be there for your cars and then for your money. And then you should have that mod menu on there, guys. Let me know how this works in the comment section below. Let me know if you have any problems. Drop your social media if you do, and then I will DM you and help you out with those problems.
Alright guys, so once you have completed the process all the way through, both of your generate buttons should be there. I can tell you guys personally, I used this one to get a LaFerrari, because I don't know what it is about the car. I just love the way it looks. I love the way it drives in that game. It's so great. So guys, just remember, I got this giveaway for the red iPhone XR. If you want to win, like, subscribe, and then comment why you need the phone down in the comment section below. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching.